Hi, my name is Nathan Baduma, and today I'll be going over some work problems regarding the concept video on the Calvin cycle. Question 1. Which of the following is the first phase of the Calvin cycle? Is it A, photosystem 2, B, reduction, C, fixation, or D, regeneration? Take 15 to 20 seconds to think about the answer to this question. If you said the answer was fixation, then you're absolutely correct. Let's go through each of the other options. Photosystem 2 is obviously not an option because it's part of the light reactions, not the Calvin cycle. Reduction is actually the second phase of the Calvin cycle because it comes after fixation. After the carbon is fixed, the reduction is the adding of electrons to the resultant product, etc. And the regeneration is actually the last step for reproducing the ribulose bisphosphate, which accepts the carbon dioxide at the beginning of the fixation phase. Question 2. Which enzyme is primarily responsible for carbon fixation in the Calvin cycle? Take 15 to 20 seconds to think about the answer to this question. If you said the answer was Rubisco, then you're absolutely correct. As you might remember from the concept video, Rubisco attaches carbon from the carbon dioxide to RUBP, ribulose bisphosphate, which is the organic molecule that is regenerated at the end of the Calvin cycle to take in or assimilate the carbon. Question 3. How many G3Ps or glyceraldehyde 3-phosphates are outputted with the fixation of 6 carbon dioxides? Take 15 to 20 seconds to think about the answer to this question. If you said the answer was 2, then you're absolutely correct. As you might remember from the concept video, 3 CO2 produce 6 glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, but only 1 is outputted because the other 5 are reformed back into 3 ribulose bisphosphate. So that means if you had 6 CO2, you would have an output of 2 G3P.